Hi friends, today we'll talk about how to fix or how to solve not working on Discord app. To know how to fix or how to solve not working on Discord app, you should just go to settings. Here you can click on apps, default apps, app settings. Then you can click on Discord. After that you'll enter the first stop and you can click OK. Here we'll enter to the window of storage. Then you can click clear cache. Here you can turn off your Wi-Fi. And you can wait a moment to turn on your Wi-Fi again to fix that problem. And if it's not working with you, then you can turn off your phone. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time in another video. And thank you for your attention.